Hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting After Effects tutorial. In this video, we'll transform a UI design into a smooth animation completely from scratch. Make sure to watch till the end. It's simple to follow and easy to understand. Step-by-step guidance. No steps skipped. Let's get started. First, open After Effects. Click on New Composition. Name it Main. Select the composition size. I am choosing HD 1920 by 1080. Set the width to 1920 and height to 1080. Set the frame rate to 30 frames per second. Set the duration to 10 seconds. Choose the background color. Click OK. Import the image. The image link is in the description. If needed, download it and practice alone. Drag the image into the composition panel. Scale the image. Press S. Adjust the size by dragging. Or type the value manually. I am setting it to 65%. Now, we will create 3 rectangle masks. Deselect this layer. Select the rectangle tool from the toolbar. Draw a rectangle over this layer, covering the image area. Adjust this rectangular shape to fit exactly over this. Reduce the opacity to see the image underneath. Adjust the width and height to fit properly. And resize it to fit perfectly over this. Then adjust the corner roundness. Set the roundness to 15 for smooth corners. Make sure the rectangle perfectly covers the area. Then increase the opacity back to 100%. Now we have created one mask properly. We will do the same for the other 2. Duplicate this dashboard image. Press Ctrl and D. Select these both. Right-click and choose Pre-compose. Tick Move all attributes into the new composition. Name it Shape 1. Click OK. Duplicate the Shape 1 composition 2 times using Ctrl+D. Select Shape 1. Now set the track matte for this. Now select the Shape 2 composition. Press the P key. Drag and position it to cover the second area. Now set the track matte for this. Do the same for the Shape 3 composition. Apply the track matte for this as well. Go back again to the main composition. Right-click and pre-compose this dashboard. Tick Move all attributes into the new composition. Name it Dashboard Comp 1. Click OK. Select the Rectangle tool. Draw over these three shapes. Now change the color to match the background. Come back again to the main composition. Drag and drop the Shape 2 and Shape 3 compositions into the Dashboard Comp. Add the camera. Keep the default camera settings. The camera adds depth and realistic motion in 3D. Now add a null object. The null object controls and animates the camera. Parent the camera to the null object. Make all layers 3D. At the beginning, we will add some keyframes. Press R for rotation. Again, press Shift plus P for position. Then press Shift plus S for scale. Move the playhead to the beginning. Add keyframes for scale, position, and X and Y rotation. Move the playhead to 2 seconds. Change the X rotation to 35 degrees. Change the Y rotation to 30 degrees. Set the scale value to 85. Adjust the position like this. Move the playhead to 4 seconds. Copy these keyframes. Paste them here. Move the playhead to 6 seconds. Copy the beginning keyframes. Paste them here. Select all keyframes. Right-click. And select Keyframe Assistant. Then choose Easy Ease. Shortcut for this, F9. Move the playhead to 1 second and 15 frames. Select the Shape 1 layer. Press the U key to reveal the keyframes. Now click the keyframe icon to add a keyframe. Move to 2 seconds and 15 frames. Change the Z value to -45. Copy the first keyframe. Move again to 3 seconds and 15 frames. Paste it here. Copy all the keyframes. Move to 2 seconds and 15 frames. Select the Shape 2 layer. Paste the keyframes onto it. Press the U key to reveal all the keyframes. Repeat the same process for the Shape 3 layer as well. Now preview and check the animation. Perfect. Select all the keyframes. Right-click. Keyframe Assistant. Choose Easy Ease. Or press F9. Move to the first keyframe. Here, we will apply a drop shadow effect. Click on the Shape 1 layer. Go to Window. Select Effects and Presets. Type Drop Shadow. Drag and drop it onto Shape Layer 1. Enable the opacity stopwatch. Change the value to 0. Set the distance to 0. Since our image is dark, the shadow won't be very clear. So, for learning purposes, I'll set it to a slightly lighter color. Now click on this layer and press U. You will see the keyframes. Move to 2 seconds and 15 frames. Change the opacity value to 60. Set distance to 70. Set direction to 200. Set softness to 15. Now the shadow is applied to the first layer. Copy the opacity and distance keyframes. Paste them here. Select these keyframes. Right-click. Keyframe Assistant. Easy Ease. Copy all 6 keyframes. Select the Shape 2 layer. Move the playhead here. Paste the keyframes. Press U to reveal them. Move to this point. Paste them into the shape layer as done before. Select all keyframes. Open the graph editor. Adjust the graph like this. Now check the animation. Perfect. Let's apply Fastbox Blur to the dashboard layer. And type Fastbox Blur. Drag and drop the effect. onto the dashboard layer like this. Move the playhead to this position. Click the stopwatch. To enable keyframes, set the blur radius value to 0. Move the playhead to this point. Change the radius value to 3. To create a blur effect, move the playhead again to this position. Create a keyframe to hold the blur value. Move again to this point. Set the radius value back to 0 to remove the blur. Now preview the animation. See the result we get. Nice. Now, we will make some changes to the numbers. We will show it counting from 0 up to the final value, 892. Select the shape layer 1. Use the text tool and type 0 here. Make sure to keep the same color. In this case, the text color is white. Keep the font size and choose a similar font. Now type slider control. Drag and drop it onto this layer. You will see the effect controls here. Move the playhead to 1 second and 15 frames. While holding the Alt key, click the source text icon. Now paste this expression. I have provided it in the description. Now go to the Effect Controls panel and click the slider keyframe icon. If you press the U key, it will show the slider keyframes. Move the playhead to 3 seconds and 15 frames. For this keyframe, set the value shown here. 892. Now get the rectangle tool and draw a shape like this. Keep it the same background color. Drag this shape layer below the number layer. Place the number on top of it. Check this. Now, we will go to the main composition. The animation will look like this. Do the same steps we applied to shape layer 1. For shape layer 2 and shape layer 3. Since the process is the same, I haven't shown the steps again here. Finally, we will apply glow and light effects to this composition. Duplicate this composition. Select the bottom layer and solo it. Remove the existing effects. First, apply the CC Light Sweep effect. Type CC Light Sweep here. Drag and drop it onto this layer. Set the effect to cut out. Set the width to 300. Set the sweep intensity to 0. Set the edge intensity to 300. Set the edge thickness to 6. Choose the desired color. Move the playhead to the beginning and set a keyframe. Move to the 6th seconds. Adjust the value like this. The animation will be created in this style. Now apply the glow effect. Type glow here. Drag and drop it onto the layer. If you need more glow, press Ctrl and D to duplicate the effect. Adjust the values as needed. Let's check the final result. I hope you learned something useful from this tutorial. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. Your feedback really helps us improve. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss them. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and support the channel. Thanks for watching.